Hello.
Hello. Welcome.
This video is an overview of what's currently installed into my vehicle. Let's check it out right now. Okay, this is my 2004 Ford Explorer Limited. It is what it is. I enjoy it. Drivetrain's not too powerful and four-wheel drive isn't great, but you know what? It works. Works and looks decent, so we added some Rancho self-leveling struts, lifted it up, put some bigger tires on, about 3 inches wider. No, 3 inches taller and 1 inch wider. Front end's got to go up another 1.5 inches, but we'll get there. So let's see what we got in here. Okay, I got my double bin. I got a laptop tablet that I put in. Kind of a ghetto system, but you know, you watch the sound man, you get ideas. And things like this happen. I'd love to get one of those kits one day and do it the right way, but we'll get there eventually. So, let's see. Got the Bassknob from CT Sounds down there. It's doing its job. And, let's see, there's some tweeters up there. Those are really ugly. They're not even firing like they should be, but they're up there. Let's see back here what we got. Yeah, like I said, tweeters up in the corner up there. All new 6x18 doors. We also have some 6x8s. 15s in a box. I've been messing with the port, trying to get it late. It's not there yet. And it hits. It just doesn't hit every note good all the time. Now we're back. See those 15s again. Man, they're old, but they hit for what they are. Yeah, I'm missing a little bit of carpet here. We can do. These boxes have got to be 15 years old, if not older. Okay, so I'm back home now. I guess you can't really record when the memory is full, so I had to get my stuff off of here and have some room for the stuff that's going on. So, I don't know how good you can see that. I hope the camera picks it up. Got a lot of wires. This is the amp for the highs. what I got going on under the hood. Excess power battery. We got a ground here. It's going over to the chassis. We got a ground here that runs over to ground on the alternator. We've got a line from the alternator to the battery. Got a line from the battery. The circuit breaker going back. So the little red line right here is for some neons that are hooked up. And the 2 wires in the middle are the stock. Same over here. 2 wires in the middle are stock. I did recently change this alternator. It's a DB electrical 220 amp. I had a problem with mine. This bolt on mine actually snapped inside the alternator, and I didn't want it to, like, you know, move around, and it wasn't good. It charred the whole end of this stock wire. I cleaned it up as best as I could. Underneath there looks better than that piece does, but yeah, it is what it is. Engine's very dirty. I hope you liked this video. Smash that button if you did. The laptop/tablet that I have here is a CHUWI Hi10 Pro model. It was cheap, and I wanted to try to get it in there and use it. And it doesn't work exactly right, but it does enough to look cool. So the head unit that I have in here is a Pioneer AVH 2300 NEX. I also have a XS, I think is how you say it, steering wheel remote control. There's also 2 switches, one for neons on the running boards in the front, and one's for neons under the hood because there is no hood light. Please subscribe and leave a comment, and thanks for watching.